Microsoft has announced a new version of its search engine Bing, which incorporates the latest in artificial intelligence. The overhaul deploys OpenAI's ChatGPT technology, which has taken the world by storm since its launch last year. The move is by far the biggest threat Google has seen to its dominance in web search and marks the beginning of an AI arms race between the companies. The race starts today. I think the most profitable large software business is search, Microsoft boss said. The new Bing search engine will be live right away with a limited number of searches for each person. The announcement comes a day after Google revealed details of its own new chatbot, Brad. Both companies are scrambling to get their products to market. It has since announced a new premium tier of Microsoft Teams, its messaging software that will feature ChatGPT, including a feature that automatically generates notes and highlights of meetings. Microsoft said Bing will use OpenAI technology that is even more advanced than the ChatGPT technology unveiled last year. The powers will also be incorporated into its Edge web browser. Analysts say ChatGPT, which has been used by students to pass exams and tests, has the potential to be incredibly disruptive to multiple professions, including journalism. But it has been criticized for confidently giving answers that are wrong. It also works on datasets that are generally scraped from 2021 or earlier, so many of its answers can feel outdated. However, will you use Bing as your search engine, or stick to Google? What do you think? Let me know in the comment box.